In this question, we're given a rhombus ABCD, and we're told that the coordinates of A are 5, 11, and that the equation of the diagonal DB is y equals half x plus 6. We're asked to find an equation for the diagonal AC. So, based on the information we've been given, let's draw this onto our diagram. The coordinates of A are 5, 11, which we can write over here. And then we're told that the equation of diagonal DB is equal to y equals half x plus 6. And so we can use this information to find an equation of the diagonal AC. And we'll draw that line in green. So what we need to understand is that DB and AC are perpendicular to one another. And this is going to help us answer our question. When two lines are perpendicular, their gradients multiply to give -1, which means that one is the negative reciprocal of the other. So we can write this down over here. So using the equation y equals mx plus c, we know that m is the gradient. So we can therefore identify that the gradient of the diagonal dB is equal to a half. And so the gradient of the diagonal AC has to multiply by a half to give -1. So therefore we can say that the gradient of AC is equal to -1 divided by a half, which is the same as -2. Now that we know that the gradient of the diagonal AC is equal to -2, we can use the fact that the point A lies on the line AC in order to find the equation of the straight line. And we're told that A is equal to 5, 11. So let's use this to find the equation of the diagonal AC. We'll go back to y equals mx plus c. Now we know that 5, 11 lies on the line AC. So we can say that y is equal to 11 and x is equal to 5. And we worked out that the gradient is -2, so we can say that m equals -2. But we don't know what c is. So we can substitute the values that we have in order to work out c. We can say that 11 equals -2 multiplied by 5 plus c. 11 equals -10 plus c. Therefore c equals 11 plus 10, which is equal to 21. And so we're left with y equals -2x plus c, but c is 21. And so we found our final answer of y equals -2x plus 21, which you can write in the answer box over here. This question is worth 4 marks, so let's take a look at where these marks are allocated. The first mark is to show evidence of understanding that AC is perpendicular to DB, which we've shown in our diagram by drawing a right angle between these lines, which shows that we clearly understand that AC and DB are perpendicular. The second mark will be for showing a process to find the gradient of the perpendicular line. So we found the gradient of AC by using the fact that the gradient of two lines when perpendicular multiply to give -1. And so we've done this and clearly showed that the gradient of AC is equal to -2. The third mark is for substituting the values that we've been given for the coordinates of A into the formula y equals mx plus c, using the gradient that we calculated. So we showed that here. We said y equals 11, x equals 5, m equals -2, and we substituted this into the formula y equals mx plus c. And that fourth and final mark is for getting the answer of c equals 21 and finding the final equation for the diagonal AC, which is y equals -2x plus 21.